If you struggle with oily roots and dull hair like I do, I want you to meet your new best friend, the Moroccanoil Dry Shampoo in dark tones. Designed specifically for dark hair, this dry shampoo uses ultra-fine rice starches to actually absorb the oil and product buildup without leaving any white residue in your hair. Simply just shake well, spray from 6 to 8 inches away from your hair, let it dry, and then massage it into your scalp. For the best results, I would also recommend giving it a quick brush through. Trust me, your hair will be instantly refreshed and revived, and it helps maintain the natural richness and dimension of dark tones while protecting your hair from UV damage. I also travel often, so having a travel size that goes with TSA regulations that I can easily pop in my carry-on is super convenient. This is perfect for those days in between washes. Experience the clean, fresh feel of Moroccanoil Dry Shampoo for dark tones. Trust me, your hair will thank you for it.